To fix Steam games that won't launch, start by rebooting your computer, as this simple step often resolves many issues. To do this, go to the Start button, select the Power button, and choose Restart. Once your computer restarts, try launching the game again through Steam. If the game still won't launch, use Steam's built-in tool to verify the integrity of the game files. To do this, go to the Steam menu, select Library, right-click the game that won't launch, and choose Properties. Then, under Installed Files, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will analyze and fix any issues with the game files, which may take a few minutes to complete. If the game still won't launch after verifying the files, try clearing the Steam cache. To do this, go to the Steam menu, select Settings, and then choose Downloads from the left menu. Scroll down and select Clear Download Cache, which may resolve issues with launching apps. Be aware that you'll need to log back into Steam after clearing the cache. If the game still won't launch, try uninstalling and then reinstalling it. To do this, right-click the game in the Steam library, choose Manage, and then select Uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled, you can reinstall it by selecting the game and choosing Install as a last resort. If the game still won't launch after reinstalling, you may need to completely uninstall and then reinstall Steam. To uninstall Steam, go to the Start button, select Apps and Features, search for Steam, and choose Uninstall. Once Steam is uninstalled, you can download the setup software from the official Steam website and go through the installation process. After reinstalling Steam, you can try installing and launching the game again.